Hey all, Chaos Photograph here. Just so you know, there's gonna be a couple less high quality Chaos Photograph videos for about 2 weeks. I have to do, because I have stuff to do. There's gonna be a few, but please note it's not gonna be like an everyday Chaos Photograph high quality trailer, like edited video. There's gonna be a lot more devlogs and there's other stuff. So just so you know, let's actually get into the devlog. Because I have stuff to do for the next 2 weeks. So I'm not gonna have as much time to make videos. So just so you know that videos are gonna come out daily upload. I'll definitely try to daily upload. More than likely, the high quality content still gonna be at the entire weekend and possibly the other 2 days or whatever I feel like. But let's get into it. So you see, last episode we left off of when I started working in the desert. Now I'm about 90% done with the desert. I might have to get a few new sprites, maybe better music audio for the desert, and also possibly just make better sprites. Whatever. What was I gonna say? I gotta make better. I might add a little bit more content, maybe like another room with a merchant or something. Whatever, maybe I might add it. I might not. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may or may not. It depends, but it's almost done, so that's pretty much all I can say. Let's actually show you what I've been doing. So, well, I'm also gonna be talking about some troubles I've had with me. So, basically, right now, I actually gotta show you something down. I want to show you. So, I actually updated the music. Just change the music. Actually, I didn't change the music cue. I only changed the music cue. Which a big shout out to Jimbo, one of the other developer at the game who makes he does the assets, he does other stuff, and he's gonna be probably making more stuff. He might be watching this video, and if you're watching this video, you gotta get the mini boss sprite done. He works primarily more on he works primarily on the good music and also the enemies. Like some of the enemies are made by me, some of the enemies are made by him. Like most of the sprites, like the tiles, are made by me, and except this one. Like yeah, this walking one's made by me. The trees are made by me. I think the trees are better than they originally were, but they're not great looking. But we both of us can't really draw trees particularly well. If someone in the video watching can draw really good trees, pixel trees, let us know. I might make them look better. I might try to make them more pixel art-y, maybe if I can. But if anyone knows like how to program, I'll make good. You'll be credited in the script. I'm probably not gonna pay you, unfortunately, which means that's I'm not like going out and asking because realistically, I don't have any money, and I don't. Right now, Mace hasn't made any money, and also I don't know if I really feel like dealing with all payments and stuff. If you want it for free, you'll be credited in Maze. You get beta access. I'll give you a free key. Actually, no, I'll give you 2 free keys. I'll give you the soundtrack for free if we publish the soundtrack for paid. If we make it paid, and we'll also give you the access to Maze while it's in development. If you can make a good pixel art tree. I might try to make one myself because I have a couple ideas. I'll maybe get Jimbo to do it, whatever I feel like. So that's pretty much it with the hub world. There's nothing, I really pretty much didn't add that much to this hub world. I mean, oh, something I gotta talk about the sewer, but actually I don't think you can't access the sewer anymore, which means, actually, we can access the sewer. Okay, let's go. Oh, I think it's not a player. Well, no, I don't think it's on a player. I don't actually remember what it is. Oh, but it's saved. I don't think it'll do it. Let's double check. 5. I don't think it'll do anything. Yeah, nah. Well, basically what I did is I added, actually, can I put up an image of it? I don't know if I actually pulled up an image of it. Nope, I did not pull up an image of it, unfortunately. Well, it's dark. That's pretty much it. I added a dark filter to the sewer. I think it's kind of cool. My friend is not a big fan of it, but I don't know if I can particularly do it. I might attempt to do it. Maybe, maybe not. It depends. I might try to make it a little less dark. Probably. I don't think I can. I tried doing it, but I couldn't. Well, let's actually get into like the desert. So now I'll give you a little progression of it. So basically the idea is there's a couple sprites now. There's an allergy numerator which you have to get a key so you can access the mini boss, not the mini boss but the more powerful enemies, so you can eventually access the mini boss arena so you can access the dungeon. I added these guys. There's a 1 in 6 chance to my knowledge, or 1 in 8. I don't remember. If it's 6 of these enemies, it's a 1 in 6. If there's 8 of these enemies, it's 1 in 8. But there's a chance of you getting them dropping a key, which you can access the dungeon. Not the dungeon, this area to kill them, so you can access the mini boss arena. And I added them. I also added an NPCs. Get them. Okay. Hey, I heard you want to kill that guy. I like him, but I also like helping people murder other people. Yeah, etc., etc. I guess those are my hints. I don't know if I studied the save his in the last episode, but I don't think I saw, because I think if I recall, I made the NPCs just after uploading the video. I think. I'm pretty sure I did. And I added a mini boss, which will chase you off. Okay, yeah, it's pretty aggressive. I mean, it's pretty OP. Uh-oh. Let me check. Okay, yeah, it's fixed. It's fixed. But, okay, yeah, basically what happens... Oh, let me double check the code. What should have happened is I should have spawned in a specific designated area. If mini boss equals true, gp.worldx should equal, maybe if I move this current area desert one. Move this and see what happens. Okay. Yeah, but actually, I'll go into it in a sec. I'll go into a second. So, skills have killed. Okay, yeah, it's fixed here. I guess maybe the section was just adding the desert was kind of broken. I don't know. It doesn't really matter that much though, anyways. But I'll tell you what happens. I'll tell you the actual whole story. The only other thing I'm really gotta do is add this gate here, but it's gonna be like 5 minutes. Yes, I gotta go back. I'm pretty sure to the entire game. Because, and actually, I keep meaning to actually disable the saving of objects, but I don't. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll tell you actually a little bit of the story. The only real challenge I had with the game, currently adding this in the game, is, dealing with saving a position. So, basically, I wanted to save your position when you die. But I had an issue with it, because what happened was, it would, reset your game. No, not reset, it was just kind of annoying, as it would, I could not figure out how to spawn you out of in the arena, because I just couldn't figure it out. So, what I did is I first added a boolean here, until I realized I actually have to set the boolean into the game panel, because the game panel extends on the entire... This is definitely not real at all. This is not accurate at all. I literally edited it today. Well, let's fix it. Let's fix it. Today's the 9th of July, which would be July, that's the 7th, 2023. Yeah, this game started development the 22nd, I believe? Or the 23rd. What else do we have? Okay, we got the scale. We got this. You know, I'm gonna see what happens if I run Maze. You know what? Before I'll see what happens. Why Maze does not have an uncapped FPS or an FPS. Or I mean, why Maze doesn't. I'll show you. Let you change your Maze. So now this is the Maze running in a Pale region. You see, the game just runs slow and just doesn't feel good. The AI is slower. Everything's slow because it's like the good old games of ye olden times where your frame rate's based on the FPS because it's just easier that way because the game's single-threaded. Yeah, it's not multi-threaded. Could maybe figure out how to make the game multi-threaded, but nah, it's not that big of a deal in my opinion for this kind of game. Okay, let's actually get back on track. So what I first discovered to do was stuff to do. So then I realized that I had to be here, and I had to put it here, so I did. So I added it under key handler, and what would happen is under this panel it would not do anything. So then I tried it under game panel, and my original thing is it would teleport you to a random location. I'll actually show you. So the original code would be let's go under the what is it? Real method. Oh yeah, boss area equals true. And it would, let's show you actually what it is. Play that world X. I'm just gonna remove the that times tile size. But what happened is it would teleport you to some weird location. So, for example, let's get murdered. It would teleport you to this like random location over there. And now, what you guys may have thought was, huh, why? Well, turns out, guys, that you have to time that by your tile size. Because you see, yes, the world X is 2013. However, you gotta times your world X by your tile size. So, I had to times it by come out and it'll fix it. And that's pretty much the only thing. Actually, guys, let's try to do something. Let's enable. I was just about to, before I thought of making this video, enabling God mode because I want to test out if the if it resets your spawn location when you kill the boss. It should be because I have it under drop method because I just have to test the save. Oh wait, no, it's not supposed to be this guy. It's supposed to be the statue. Actually, perfect. It's supposed to be like this because it's supposed to be under here, this mini boss, because I mean, kind of want to save a mini boss, but you're supposed to die and it's supposed to reset your spawn location. I just want to see if it works. So, and I don't feel like fighting it fairly because it might take a couple of retries. And also my friend's eventually gonna hopefully, if you're watching this guy, can you test out the game and make the assets? If you can soon. Make the assets, wonk, make the new assets, and also just test the game if it's a little unfair. Because I usually have a tendency of making a game, like, goddamn difficult. Like, yeah, like, oh my god. It was so goddamn difficult. The original, but I went back to it because I was thinking about making a video on all the areas maize, but I decided to make a devlog. And let's actually get back into it. That's actually... Okay, so basically that's what happens if I do dev mode. Actually, I think there was like one version of Maize in itch.io few that I forgot to disable dev mode. And we're just gonna be doing max life. Now, the real dev mode is just disabling the game over, but I kinda have to have the game over, so I gotta make it where, like, so let's just do maybe times 2, maybe good, an OP amount that you would probably not get normally. Oh, stupid. Uh-oh, did I freaking forget something? Oh, it might have guess it saves it. Oh, gotta freaking come that thing up. God, that thing up. Huh. What the hell? Oh, I'm stupid. I don't know what I'm thinking about. Oh, goddamn. Life equals max life times 7. Does that fix it? Oh, because the freaking save file. But do I really want to deal with getting... Well, guys, I guess we're gonna have to kill him, the old fat... Never mind, just kidding, guys. Just kidding, guys. You know what doesn't change? The class files. You know what doesn't save? The data of the class files. So I just making the bullets like OP or some shit like that. It will work. Okay, that's gonna I was thinking of making like something how like I make my OBJ files, but I realized that I'd have to think I would have to. Cause I think I couldn't set it in the player class because it would only affect it when you actually start up the game because I saved the objects, and I'd also have to do a lot of other. I'd have to also add it to like the entity generator because the entity generator was there because it was bug and all that shit. So, I was gonna make the OP bullets. Go into OP. Okay, bullet. I think it's bullet because it's a bullet. Because what I always get confused is I always get confused with the bullet and bullet mag. The bullet is the bullet itself, like the projectile, and the bullet mag is the magazine. But I always forget that stupid thing. I also forgot to mention I made the bullet smaller. I passed because I know it was funny, but it was too big. I know. Well, let's get it from 2. I also nerfed the bullets a little bit. I nerfed it from 2 because so you don't like because they gave you a actually because I nerfed it pretty naturally was used to 4, so I'm gonna actually make it 12. I'm actually gonna make it now. I'm thinking 8. I'm thinking 8 because it will give it pretty good knockback, which means it would be good to knock back your enemies, do a little bit of damage, but not enemies with defense. So it just knocks it back. And I'm gonna make it well. We're gonna have could do 64 damage. Good damage, and let's try it. Let's try this game, guys. Okay. Oh yeah, you got spun in the black, but it's because of that. Because I have it like +1. Like, and does it save when I get murdered? Hey, you little punk. Guess. Yep, guys. I know. I guess because we fixed the bug, not the bug, but we just tested it out. So in the next one, guys, like and subscribe, guys. Have a wonderful day, guys, and goodbye. Thanks for watching.